You want to take note of this airdrop. As of recording, I think this is an upcoming airdrop for gems. So I was already on the watch list of 668 people, users. So you can still add it to your watch list, guys. Gems Esports 3.0. As of recording, is going to be starting 6 days from now. So these are $100,000 reward, NFT based reward, guys. So James NFT airdrop is worth $100,000 from March 15th to March 21. That's when it's going to be kicking off. It starts in 7 days. They're giving about 1,200 NFTs to loads of winners. So the airdrop rewards are a special kind of NFT. So you want to take note of that. On how to participate, seize the opportunity to win Gems IDO whitelist spot, Gems NFT airdrops by joining us in our incredible NFT airdrop to celebrate our upcoming TGE. So Gems airdrop being a total of $100,000 worth of airdrop prize, 120 100 lucky winners. So visit the official website. This is the official website. Follow Gems official Twitter account. Follow them on Twitter account. Follow CEO of Labs. Like, retweet their pin post. So guys, these are the steps you want to do immediately. Or I think you can also do it. I think it's more preferable you do it once this airdrop kicks off. So it's recorded that you did this when the airdrop kicked off. But either way, you can also do it now and submit your details. You should be eligible for the rewards. Say to increase the chances of being selected, try as much as possible to up your game. So you should tag at least 3 friends. We do recommend you can tag more than 3 friends. And also, you can also try as much as possible when adding them to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public. Then stay active on these platforms so you get noticed and hopefully you get selected too. So peace out, guys. One love, Shibaki keys. See you in our future uploads and stay safe, guys.